Hey guys, it's me Sujoy over here. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create an automated online business. I came across this website, and so basically, when you come to this site, it talks about how you can launch, a beginner friendly, fully automated online business from home. You don't need to have any technical skills. You don't need to have any social media followers. You don't need to have any physical products or experiences. So the mentor of this course is Jonathan Montoya. He's a six-figure entrepreneur. Sorry, he's a seven-figure internet entrepreneur, and he has helped many people leave their 9 to 5 jobs. The course is 100% free, and so you can see that you will be able to start an online business with this course. You can make residual passive income. You can work from the comfort of your home, or you can work while you're traveling. You can create multiple passive income streams on autopilot. Just to let you know that when you will take the free course, you just need to put in your details, your name, your email, phone number is optional. That's entirely up to you. So just to let you know what you will be getting, so I'm just going to hit the get instant access. So I'm just submitting my details to enroll for this course. So I think the Wi-Fi is a bit slow, but right. Okay. So right. So I'm all set. So this is what you will be getting. Basically, here you will be going to the course. They have a free Facebook group. So it's just like if I'm going to click on go to the course. So I click over here. Okay, so the name of this program, the course is called is the Freedom X Accelerator. So this is the course, Jonathan Montoya will teach you how to start an online business from scratch without having any physical products, experience, or technical skills. So you just need to register up with a new account over here, and then you will have access to the free course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link of this free course down in the description below, so you can just join it, and it's free to join. You can access this course for free. And one more thing, if you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So with that being said, you guys have a great day. Peace out.